Hello VLP, welcome to our weekly report. We're going to talk about our nice success of plus 80% on the last week with our community member on nice opportunity on Hyperliquid, Bittensor TAO, Aster, Ethereum, on also a nice beer flag position. That's a good way to manage and make some nice yield on income in maybe this bull trap we are currently in. So just have a look. We do DeFi in the community. Our target is to make you earn between 5 and 10% monthly on your earnings. On how we do that, you get paid 100 million every 24 hours in exchange rate commission. Basically, in real world, you can exchange euro on dollar, you get commission paid to the bank. In crypto, there is no central bank. That's you and me which can deploy our earning on gains in liquidity pool. Each time there is exchange, the commission get paid to you, and that's more than a huge 100 million every 24 hours business. And look at that. On the 5th of March on BTC, we identify an update in the community, an opportunity of plus 130% APR on BTC USDC. We also have one opportunity at plus 275 APR. That's real on the 10th of March. And we set free action, free movement who you have to do. And if you have done that, you make plus 18% on your saving. You can also be really passive and make bigger range. You will do less yield, but that's also okay. And you can deploy liquidity and make some plus 60, plus 70% on your saving. Finally, on the DEX, we identify the price of Aster was really nice, and we have a plus 260% APR commission pay on Aster USDC. Look at that, we are in this position on range. The price is doing nothing if you are holding this crypto, but if you deploy this crypto into liquidity pool, you will make yields on income at plus 262% with this range on Aster. We also set some stop loss. That means if the price go down, we protect our capital. We are investor. We are not gambler. Oh, okay. So the market, last Monday, I was thinking the market will go deeply down with this new war. I was thinking it's going to be the green flag for the bottom of this bear market. Maybe Bitcoin will reach 45, 40K. But the market decide otherwise, and we get all wrong. All the guys would make some short, get wrecked. So that's why you don't do short or long bet. You do liquidity providing and you move according to the market. So we just take this information and we deploy our strategy. If you are blind and you don't know how to do that, you need to be in a community. Join us. It's plus only $100 every month. You get access to our training to know how to do DeFi, on all the alert, on discussion, on replay, on report of this type in the community. So what we play right now, as we are blind and nobody know what's gonna happen, we play the flag. Look at that. This is a flag, second flag. Every time the price drops 30%, then we have a flag. And during this flag, we supply our fund into liquidity pool to make commission. And as soon as the flag is broken, we make stop loss. We avoid the next drop in price of 30%, and we join the next flag. This is working obviously in bear market, but this is also working in bull market. The good thing is when the price go up, the issue of the flag is on the upper side, so we make nice income into yields and also the capital booming up. So this week, this is the flag we play. We set up 3 different positions. Right now, we are now in a position at 72.81 because the price of Bitcoin finished at 74,800 plus on the daily candle. So we have a very nice opportunity, but also we set up now a stop loss at 71 because we may think this is the last push before a very crazy bull trap of the price can finally dropped. So be careful, don't take any position without implementing a stop loss. On the traditional market, the SP 500, we think is going to drop. We close behind this cloud, which is a very important signal on the daily. So maybe the price will go down to 6,000 on SP 500. On the actuality, strategists still buying crypto like crazy. They buy more 17,000 Bitcoin since the beginning of March. They hold 3.5% of the total Bitcoin. And they implement a solution with 11.5% dividend on yield on the share you can hold. That's less than you can do in DeFi, but that's also an opportunity you can look at. On the ETF, even if the price have gone down deeply since the beginning of January, it's still kind of flat. So that's good. That means there is some investor which still believe in crypto world. In crypto world, we have Meteora, which deploy a new simulator. If you're a beginner, you don't want to play with real money, there is a DLM playground you can have access to. And they also announced they're gonna implement stop loss, and that's good for our position on Solana blockchain. For the one which use the Evil Panda strategy, we explain in the community, there's a new tool name is Axiom Pro. You need to use it to know which holder, how many people hold the coin. And you don't want to have this coin owned by only one or two people because they can wreck you. This is a nice strategy we deploy on price, which can drop with Memcoin at 70%. And we still arrive with this strategy to make some gain by making some amazing yield when the price is dropping. If you want to have more detail, that's in the community. The spot volume this week is 37 billion. That's a good week. And the good thing is we get 20 million commission paid. So that's real. You can make really amazing commission on DeFi. On Ethereum price, now we have a range set between 2200 and 2600. We also set a stop loss because the price really go up quickly. There is still an imbalance which need to be fulfilled here at 2600, but be careful in case of bear trap, the price can go down to 1500. So if you are in position as we do, we set stop loss. We have also a bear flag we can play on Solana on these two blue line. Currently the price is in there. We're in positions now since the 21 of February with this range is paying more than 140% APR. We also find Hyperliquid is booming after the range we set since the beginning of January between 26 and $36. The price pays some amazing yields. It go up out of range on the upper side. Now it's really overbought, so I think it's a nice time to take your earnings. By the way, Arthur Hayes says it's gonna reach $150, and the price is going up around $50, but it's overbought. So for the moment, we'll get out from Hyperliquid. We prefer Aster. You also have MOFO, which is now on top of the range. We set since beginning of February. We set a new range at 162.4 to play the upper side of the price, and we'll also set a stop loss in case we have a retracement. Finally, for one who wants to put some gold into their portfolio, now the gold is on the lower part of our range at 5,000. That's a good entry price. The RSI is quite low, so 5,000 or 4,800, 5,400 will be an amazing range for the gold to be played, and this is paying around 80% APR on gold assets, which is just amazing, and you can hold it on making commission. That's a new way to invest. Finally, Bittensor TAO just blew up 56% this week. Now the price is really oversold, but it's time to sell, and then you can rebuy it at a lower price. There's not really nice liquidity pool on TAO right now. There's not too much big total value locked to play with, so it's just a buying asset on holding. It's linked to the AI narrative, and also linked with NVIDIA, which is booming in terms of actuality. I hope you like this report. Please like this video. Put me a comment on the type of asset or liquidity pool you want me to look at for you on the next report. And please join us on our communities, $100 monthly. There is no engagement, and you can quit when you want, but you will live with us because you will be together to find this nice pool on yield opportunity to make you earn more than 5 to 10% on your earnings. See you. Bye bye.